Well, the first thing is we do a lot of workshops around how to help companies and agencies go to data center transformation. And the number one thing is executive sponsorship, right? Now, a lot of people would say, well, that's pretty obvious. But it wavers because this is, again, it's a journey. It's multiple years. And as executive sponsorship changes over the years, it kind of, sometimes things fall through the cracks, right?
Right.
In focusing on governance, right? So I'm building a data center. I have a data center running. Now I really need to make use of and get some of those gains that I promised, right? Congress going forward is governance in the sense of responsibility, accountability, who's in charge, who gets to make the right decisions at the right time. Because typically what we do is we create an infrastructure where it always goes to the top, right? Instead of really delegating to the right level within the organization to make the changes. And then back to portfolio and project management, right? Tying it together is I have a portfolio of applications that I'm going to move. I know their life cycle. I know when they're going away. But now I have projects. And every one of these projects shouldn't be 3 months. What we do at HP is the longest project or component is 9 months because it becomes measurable every year. Do I want to keep the project on? And did the people fail? Did the people succeed? Is my team achieving the goals that I go forward? And if you focus on the governance, portfolio management, and what Anil said and other people is focus on process. Right. How do I run my business now that I'm transformed? How do I keep my platforms, my portfolio? How do I make people use the cloud, right? Instead of using virtualization and putting things out in the field.
Right.
Really focused on that piece.
Good point.